Hey guys, I'm planning to read you a book and it's called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. And here, and a little bit extra. This story is something to sneeze at. So you can take a look at this page. It's funny. Pigs make me sneeze. Here I go. Gerald! Looks like she's happy. What do you want to do today? I want yes? A what? A ball, a swing, a hat. He's sneezing a lot. Sniff. Are you okay? I don't know. Achoo! I can't stop. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I can't be near you. Aww. Then we can't be friends. Then we must apart forever. He is crying. But Gerald, no, don't. It is too late. Look at her. She's protecting herself with that. She looks funny. Goodbye, girl. She just took that thing out. She's like, sniff. She's literally like, what's happening? Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay. Dr. Cat. Pig make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Obviously with her name. Piggy is also my best friend. 2. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. Interesting. No, what makes him sneeze? Let's figure out. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. Look at his expression. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Who would be happy for having a cold? Piggy! Piggy! Great news! He looks happy. I have a cold! Good for you. And here, try to find the pigeon. Now you can stop and pause. But now, one needs to the answer. Okay then. Here, instead of Piggy, it's him with a heart attack. And the end. Bye. Have a good day.